Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me is our brand new trading platform. I've been mentioning for the past couple of weeks now that we have some very exciting news to tell you guys all about, and I'm so happy that today we can finally share that news with you. Myself and the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements have been working around the clock for the past 3 to 6 months to make this possible. But in front of you is our very own trading platform. I've used several trading platforms in the past couple of years, the likes of IC Markets, Trading 212, City Index, XTB, IG, you name it. And there's always been that one or two couple of things on any specific platform that I just don't really get along with, or I don't really enjoy. So I have come together and worked alongside one of the top software companies in the world to create a platform which is perfect and up to our own preferences. And a few of the features that I've had to added onto this trading platform, I believe will help our viewers follow our signals, follow our videos much more effectively. So our platform, we offer several instruments. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead. I'm going to quickly go along and show you what we have to offer. So we have the major forex pairs. We have crypto. Very excited to announce that we have crypto, the likes of Bitcoin, XRP, you name it. Then of course we have the likes of Brent, WTI oil, gold, silver, natural gas, and then we have a broad range of indices, most global indices on our platform. And of course, one of my favorites, we have the US stocks. You have the big names like Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Boeing, Facebook, you name it. Our platform, it really does have it all. But going forward, guys, there's going to be a massive change to our YouTube videos. From now on, I'm going to be doing all of our videos on our platform using our platform's charts. And going forward, if you would like to copy our trades, whether that be our YouTube videos, our free signal group, or our VIP signal group, we will be using the prices seen on our trading platform. We will be using the same leverage as seen on our trading platform with the same spread fees. So if you follow us as a trader, I would highly recommend that you change brokers and come and trade alongside us using Daily Market Movements trading platform. Going forward, guys, also, I forgot to mention that I've also funded my account with $10,000. This is a live account. So going forward, I'm going to be trading the 5 assets that I do a daily video on, which is, of course, gold, the Nasdaq 100, S&P 500, crude oil, and Euro US dollar. As you can see, I've already filmed the gold video today, and that's why I already have an open position. But I'm going to go ahead and open a Nasdaq 100 position as well. So Nasdaq 100 in front of me is 14,075. We're trading down roughly 0.5% today. We did have highs up at 14,200. Now, one thing there's actually 3 things that's missing on this chart right now. And for those who've been watching my videos for some time, you'll know that I do love an RSI, 50-day EMA and 200-day EMA. So we're going to quickly go and add that by clicking this button here. Again, all of the main indicators that myself and the rest of the team at Daily Market Movements use, you can find on here. So we have the RSI, lovely jubbly, we will add that. And then as well as that, we have a 50-day EMA. So I'm going to change it from SMA to EMA, which I always have in red, so that's perfect. And then as well as that, we also have a 200-day moving average, so a 200-day EMA, which I normally have as the color blue. So there we go, we're all set. We have my three main indicators that I usually use. Now in front of me is the Nasdaq 100. As I've mentioned, going into the end of June, stocks are historically very bearish. If you haven't heard why, go and watch yesterday's video. I explain that in more detail. But I am anticipating for the stock market to come under some significant pressure next week. So I am actually going to be shorting the Nasdaq 100. I don't usually short the Nasdaq 100, but going into the end of the month, I'm going to short it. 50-day currently sits at 13,700. I'm just going to aim for 13,900, which is roughly 200 points. So I'm going to go ahead and open a position. Really easy. Just go on indices, find which indice you want to trade, click on create an order. And then there's a few features here I really want to quickly show you guys, which are awesome, and I've had them put in there particularly to help our viewers. So I am going to be shorting the Nasdaq 100. So I'm going to put my take profit at 13,900. We have a take profit calculator which tells us how much money we will make or lose, and then a stop loss I'm going to have up at 14,185. That represents the highs of the week. So that gives us a roughly a nice 2-to-1 risk risk reward ratio, and I want to be risking roughly, let's say, oh god, that didn't work out, 2.5, there we go. I want to be risking roughly 2.5% for this particular trade. So I need to go up for required margin all the way up to 250, which will be roughly 2 lots, give or take a few. There we go. So I'm risking 2.61% of my overall account balance. So we'll take that down a bit. And again, guys, this is why it's very important to be trading on our platform, because when I send out signals in the future, or send out signals on our daily YouTube videos, I will be saying risk this amount. And when I say risk this amount, I will be referring to the risk management bar. So I'll say a risk 2.49%. And, you know, on our platform, we have a dedicated leverage. We have fixed spreads. We have, you know, most likely different prices to what your current broker has. So it's very important that you are on the same terms of us. And, you know, our spreads and stuff are very competitive compared to the other big trading platforms as well. So I'm going to be risking 2.5% of my account. That's to gain 3.5%, and I'm basically risking 1.7% on this trade. So I'm going to go ahead and click sell. There we go. I have now sold the Nasdaq 100. I have my stop loss up at 14,185 and my take profit down at 13,900. So going into next week, as I mentioned, we're going into the end of June, which is historically a very bearish month for the stock market. So I'm going to be going ahead and shorting the Nasdaq 100, taking as I'm expecting some traders to go and take some froth off the market. You know, I think it's a healthy thing if we can pull back here, and you can come back on Monday to see how this position has done. Don't forget to go and join our trading platform. I've left a link in the description of this video, so just scroll down, click on that link. You can literally open a trading account, get it funded, and be trading with us within minutes. Thank you, guys.